Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the drain valve on this A.O. Smith gas water heater, you will need channel lock pliers. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the gas supply to the unit. Close the water intake valve as well. Now open the drain valve to drain all of the water from the tank. You can open a hot water faucet in the home to assist in discharging the water. After draining the tank, close the drain valve. You can now use the channel lock pliers to help unthread the old valve by rotating it counterclockwise. This may require some effort. To prepare the new drain valve for installation, transfer the cover from the old valve to the new one. Thread the valve into the tank clockwise, using the channel lock pliers to tighten. Now open the water intake valve and allow the tank to refill. Turn the gas supply back on, and the water heater should be ready for use.